Hello my people, today I want to do 0 to 100 on the Toyota Fielder Hybrid and see how fast it is. I know the 0 to 100 are for the Volkswagen, the Subaru people, the Subaru boys, but I want to try with the Toyota Fielder just to know how fast it can go from 0 to 100. So I'm going to start from 3, 2, 1, go.
Seconds.
13 seconds?
Yes.
13 seconds, how well?